That's why I always tell the guys, like when they're cooking uh, in the pit room, I'm like, dude, if you can cook on these and you can master the art of open fire, like you can cook your ass off. Like
Yeah,
fire
100%.
is such a fire is such a delicate way of cooking. Uh, that I mean, you know, if you once you figure out the temperatures and you know the flow of stuff, like you're kind of like I'm not gonna say unstoppable, but you have a lot better understanding of cooking and heat and stuff like that. So it's pretty cool.
Absolutely. It translates to other things. You're going to cook other
Oh yeah,
proteins, other
yeah, yeah,
100%, man. And that's really
yeah,
the first thing they test you on. If you go stage somewhere, if you go work somewhere, that's really one of the first things they want to know. Can you fucking cook a piece of meat here? Like, do you
yeah,
know what the fuck you're doing? If you get
yeah.
past that, right, and some knife skills, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, you follow direction. But, you know, cooking a piece of meat and not needing help. And you'd be surprised how many people working on lines in kitchens don't know how to do that.
Oh
And
yeah,
they're there. They just get stuck in the salad, or motherfucker, you're over here helping me with sauces, or you're just re-upping me on shit I need, or you know what I
yeah,
mean? Something else, like you're not in charge of the fire over here. It's like the biggest deal in the kitchen. You're right, man. It's a
yeah.
big deal to you know, have command of that. And yeah, you're right. You're absolutely right. You're
That's what I
absolutely
was like. Yeah, like the guys, you know, they just think sometimes they get back there and they think they're just cooking great barbecue. I'm like, dude, you can apply this so many other places. Like if you can control an open fire, like you can cook so much other shit. Like
right. Yep.
the
Yep.
world is your oyster, not just brisket.
Yeah, that's hilarious. And the respect you get from other people and chefs, because there's so much precision with it and talent needed to actually do
Yeah.
that and do it right. You're gonna get respect and props from other people, right? I mean, there's just no question
Oh yeah.
about it. Yeah, it's like a sushi chef or a Japanese chef, right? That's, you just know that their skills are beyond a normal line cook or whatever. They're over here like just doing like the most amazing things, which is
Yeah.
another sort of thing, right? Where you get to see the magic happening, and that adds
Yeah.
to it, right? It's another one of those things. I think I mean, that's part of it, right? You can't really fake it till you make it with barbecue,
Yeah.
can you? You can't. I don't think you can really do that.
I don't think so. I mean,
Right?
I don't. I don't know. I mean, you're gonna get caught eventually. Like,
yeah, you're gonna get caught eventually. I think people forget that they think about the end product, but they don't think about the means to get there. And that's the most
yeah.
important part of barbecue, is how you got to that barbecue.
Yeah.
So you can't, like you said, really cutting corners it's not worth it, because you're gonna have to do work anyway.
Yeah.
Right. That's honest truth. So you kind of just and you're, you know, taking away value from all the other work you're doing. Right.
Yeah.
So yeah, man, I'm really glad that you respect it the way it is and everything. That's really cool.